It's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Please be happy, even if it means me not being with you. Good day. Honestly, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan ang secret file na ito. Ako si CJ, and if I remembered it right, last January 22, a guy named Nate sent his secret file to you. Siguro God's will that I personally heard his story. Oo, ako yung CJ na yun. I'm his childhood friend who got married with my longtime boyfriend, but eventually got separated. After kong marinig yung secret file niya through you, I had mixed emotions. And as much as I wanted to keep things private, just between the two of us, I decided to write my side of story. To defend myself sa mga nambabash po sa akin. At para na rin maiparating ko sa kanya yung mga bagay na hindi ko pa nasasabi. During our early years of childhood, I met a young boy named Nate in school. A typical 7-year-old boy, chinito, makulit, maingay, at napakabibo na bata. Ako yung paborito niyang asarin, para bang lahat ng kilos ko binabantayan niya. At first, I got pissed off. Pero as days passed, nasanay na rin ako. Nasanay ako na kinukulit niya. Hanggang sa naging magkaibigan na rin kami. Years passed, and it came a time na lumipat ako ng school. We lost contact, at hindi ko na uli siya nakita. But I kept all our memories together. I can honestly say I had my best childhood days because of him. Then I was on my 4th year in high school. May nakita akong familiar face sa loob ng campus. It was Nate. Hindi ako pwedeng magkamali kasi kabisado ko yung boses niya. May mga kausap siyang babae. Siguro kaibigan niya. Tinitigan ko siya. And fortunately, napabaling din sa akin yung tingin niya. Ngumiti ako sa kanya. Pero na-disappoint ako. Kasi parang hindi niya man lang ako nakilala. He just looked away and he just continued chatting with his friends. Napatigil ako. At na-realize ko, siguro hindi niya na ako namukhaan. Then our school's acquaintance party came. Nakita ko siya. Nilakasan ko yung loob ko na lapitan siya. Mahina ko siyang tinapik. At nang makalapit na ako sa table nila, biniro ko siya and I said, "Uy Nate, kumusta ka na? Ang suplado mo naman ngayon ah." Halatang nagulat siya sa sinabi ko. But I continued to say, "Glad to see you again, Nate. Ang tagal din nating hindi nagkita." Then he replied and said, "Oo nga, okay naman ako, ikaw." Bago pa ako nakasagot, a sweet music played. Inaya niya akong sumayaw. At ayun na. I gladly accepted his invitation. Tayong dalawa yun, Nate. Sumayaw tayong dalawa. I can feel you being so different and distant. Yet I shove all my thoughts away. Naisip ko kasi baka naninibago ka lang. Pero after that, lumayo ka pa rin sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero nasasaktan ako pag nakikita kita na masayang kausap yung mga kaibigan mo sa corridor. Every time na dumadaan ako ganun. Hindi mo lang ako kayang batiin. Masakit para sa akin yun. Pero anong magagawa ko? Things have changed. Fast forward, graduation day na natin. Pinuntahan kita sa classroom nyo to personally congratulate you. Kaya lang bad timing yata ako. Kasi may kausap kang babae. Halatang malapit kayo sa isa't isa. So I stepped back. When I was heading back to my classroom, it was so weird na para bang may kakaiba sa sarili ko. Para bang masakit yung puso ko. To my surprise, may luhang pumatak galing sa mata ko. Well, I guess I just had my first heartbreak from my first love. After that, life goes on for me. I graduated at napalapit ako sa mga manliligaw ko. And then, merong isang manliligaw ako doon na very decided. I fell in love with him. Then we decided to get married. But things messed up. And for so many reasons, we got separated. Naiwan ako kasama yung anak ko. My son, his name is Seth. He just turned 5 years old when I decided to work overseas. Then isang araw, a message popped up. It says, "Hello, kumusta ka na?" And that message came from you, Nate. Aaminin ko natuwa ako. It's been years since I last saw you. Pero pinili kong i-ignore yung messages mo. Naisip ko kasi na magkaiba na tayong dalawa. Napakadami nang nangyari. Pero you pursued and even called me. Sinagot ko yung call mo at nag-usap tayo. Hanggang sa naging routine ko na yung kwentuhan natin araw-araw. Parang bumalik yung dating ikaw nung mga bata pa tayo. I know kahit hindi ko man aminin, I have already fallen for you again. For the second time. Pero sa kabila ng lahat, hindi ko narinig sa'yo yung salitang mahal kita. In my situation, sobrang hirap mag-assume. Ayokong masaktan, ayokong umasa uli. Baka kasi, ang tingin mo sa akin, malapit na kaibigan lang ako. Then I went back home. And to my surprise, nagbakasyon ka rin pala. We got to bond with each other. And you even got close to Seth. Pag nakikita ko kayong magkasama ni Seth, sobrang saya ko. Na hinihiling ko kay God na sana ikaw na nga yung binigay niya sa amin. Everything was almost perfect. Akala ko lang pala. Because an unfamiliar girl messaged me. Ang babaeng ito, sinasabi sa akin na siya daw yung girlfriend mo. Umasa na naman pala ako sa wala. I assumed so much. Bakit mo nga ba ako pipiliin? Ako na separada at may anak? Syempre hindi. Who's in their right mind would do that? I I guess I misunderstood everything. Gusto ko kitang i-confront, but I realized wala naman pala akong karapatan. We are not even lovers. Ang sakit lang kasi you taught me so much in life. Unconsciously, you made me become so dependent on you. So I cried discreetly. At kung meron mang isang bagay na sobrang galing ko, magaling ako magtago ng nararamdaman ko. I wanted to breathe and stay away from you that time. So it was a blessing in disguise nang magkaroon ako ng trabaho away from home. I worked in Hong Kong and I slowly pick up the pieces in me. Naakala ko na wala. Then I met a man, maalaga, mabait. Yung tipong hindi ko pa man nasasabi sa kanya yung isang bagay, ginagawa niya na agad ng solusyon. Matalino siya, a gentleman. He was years away older than me. So, na-fall ako sa kanya. He is so easy to love. He became my boyfriend. Oo, may asawa siya that time, but he was already processing his divorce, which just became official when he got his divorce granted. We lasted for 5 months. Only for me to find out that he is migrating to New Zealand. Nakipag-iwalay ako sa kanya because di na ako naniniwala sa long distance relationship. Wala rin akong planong sumunod sa kanya doon. Nagkakausap pa rin tayo, pero I set my limitations when it comes to you. Alam ko kasi na pagkakaibigan lang ang kaya mong ibigay sa akin. And then, I had my annual leave for after a year and a month. Nakapagtaka, pero nagulat ako dahil umuwi ka rin. I was confused. Iniisip ko, nagkataon lang ba na nagsabay na naman yung bakasyon natin o sinasadya mong umuwi kapag pauwi na rin ako. Pero syempre, hindi ko na itanong pa sa'yo yun. Yung pader na pinaghirapan kong itayo to distance myself from you, unti-unti mong tinibag nung sumama ka sa aming magpunta ng Singapore. Again, all my defenses were useless when it comes to you. Akala ko I guarded my heart well. Pero mas lalo yatang lumalim yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo sa bawat araw na nakakasama ka namin ng anak ko. Then first and second day natin sa Singapore, naging napaka-busy ng itinerary natin. Then on the third day, ramdam kong this time it's different. Kasi napaka-clingy mo sa akin. Hinalikan mo ko sa noo ko, niyakap mo ko after experiencing Singapore's nightlife. On our last night in our hotel, tsaka pa lang ako nagkaroon ng chance to check my phone. And that was the time when I felt like a bomb was thrown in front of me. Isang pamilyar na pangalan ang nag-message sa akin. The same girl who sent me a message before saying, I am decided now. It took me too long to come up with my decision. But I want Nate in my life. I am ready to settle down with him. So please, if you are just a friend to him, back off. Distance yourself, please. Grabe. Those words were hitting me big time. Ang sakit-sakit. Parang sasabog yung dibdib ko ng mga panahon na yun. I asked myself, why does it keep on repeating? Bakit pa ulit-ulit na lang na ganito yung nangyayari? I was totally messed up when you suddenly got inside of my room at tinanong mo ko kung bakit ako umiiyak. Pero instead of telling the truth, I told you that I saw my ex-boyfriend with his family on social media. After nun, niyakap mo ko ng sobrang higpit. And I bursted in tears and desperation. Paano ko nga ba sasabihin sa'yo na nang dahil lahat yun sa'yo? Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita, na wag mo kaming iwan, kami ng anak ko, pero wala akong karapatan. Being a single mom, ang dami kong insecurities in life. Before I decide on something, I have to weigh things out thoroughly. Kasi it will be not just for me. I have a son na maapektuhan sa mga desisyon ko in life. Gusto kong agawin ka sa kanya, pero paano? And the fact that you propose on her means you see your future with her. Saan ako lulugar doon? Wala. Ni wala nga ako pinanghahawakan sa'yo. Pero dahil nga na-master ko na yung magtago ng nararamdaman, I pretended to be just fine. We headed back home, and to my surprise, you gave me a ring. Nabuhayan uli ako. Tanga na kung tanga, pero wala namang magbibilang kung ilang beses ako nagpakatanga sa'yo, diba? Nakaramdam ako ng pag-asa. And I wanna grab it. Even if it means hurting other person. Lumipad ako pabalik ng Hong Kong with the thought na things were going smoothly for us. I told you na maghihintay ako sa'yo. Kasi I made up my mind na sasabihin ko na sa'yo lahat ng mga hidden thoughts and feelings ko for you. It is long overdue. Kaya I have to let you know everything about it. I trusted you. I ignored that. I ignored that message because I was thinking that you have it all settled. Hanggang sa marinig ko yung secret file mo. Yung secret file mo na inera ni DJ Raqi. Gusto kong magalit sa'yo pero nangingibabaw yung pagmamahal ko. Ang dami kong gustong itanong. But one thing is for sure. No matter what happens, bear in mind na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal. Thank you for being my strength that I didn't know I need during those times na malungkot ako. Thank you for the patience that you consistently exemplified. Kahit na matigas ang ulo ko. Thank you for taking so much care of me. And Seth, na nung una iniisip ko, baka wala naman ng ganun sa amin. Thank you for everything. And please, do not be pressured dito sa letter ko na ito. And please be happy, even if it means me not being with you. Choose the best for you. Maybe we can still have our own happily ever after, with our own separate lives. I love you, Ethan. That's why I'm giving you your freedom.